Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a VBM with us in the shop. And I came in for the issue that the machine was just constantly having to pump run water, even if the machine wasn't, asking for water or the brew lever wasn't being pulled. And the main reason that was the case was because of this motherboard right here. This is a fill box. For these more simpler machines, a lot of these models have a board just dedicated to filling water for the steam boiler, and that's it, since this is a heat exchanger type machine. And so this board was sending power to the water pump even when the machine wasn't supposed to have water. That was result in a very loud noise. It was pushing against the solenoid. Sometimes it would squeak, sometimes it would just make different noises. But so we replaced it and it started to work again. However, we did run into a few different issues during that process. Mainly the machine was working fine, however the fill probe that was inside the machine was overfilling the boiler, and when I took it out it was really bad with scale. So I took it out, polished it, cleaned it up, put it back in, and it works great now. So now you have a lot of room for steam inside of your steam boiler. And then on top of that, after everything was resolved, the pump, which for the testing and whenever the customer had it, was strained. The solenoid, kind of how it works is you have a vibratory pump. It's pretty much a big solenoid that just constantly opens and closes, which causes water to get pulled through. However, since it's pulling cold water, it acts as a coolant, the water going through your pump. However, if the pump is running and there's no cold water flowing through it, it could overheat and the solenoid could burn out, and that's what happened with this one. So we had to replace the pump that was inside the machine. But now we're going to test the model by putting this one in here. We're going to run a shot. Don't worry if it runs a little too fast or a little slow. We don't calibrate the grinders to the machines. There you go, nice drop. We're at about 10 bars of pressure on the dial, which is pretty good. Beautiful. So here's that shot. Put this to the side while you're rinsing water. I did do a little bit of cleaning. There was a lot of coffee buildup inside the machine, so like the group head, the port filter was pretty nasty. So I did clean it up a little bit, and even the steam one. But we're going to test the steam one. Really good steam arms on these machines, since it is one giant steam boiler inside. And then lastly, the hot water tap. And you're going to hear that pump start to fill, so that's what that box that we replaced is doing. It's just telling the machine that it needs to be refilled with water, and it should stop on its own when it's fully filled up. It's off. Great. And that's about it for this repair. If you liked the video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.